What is animal biodiversity? Animal biodiversity is the variety of animal species that live in a specific place or on Earth. It includes the differences between animals, their characteristics, behaviors, and the ecosystems where they live. Animal biodiversity is important because it helps maintain the balance of nature, supports food chains, and allows ecosystems to function properly. It also benefits humans by providing resources, scientific knowledge, and environmental stability. Protecting animal biodiversity is essential to ensure a healthy planet for future generations.
And now we are going to talk about native animals. The native animals are jaguar, puma,
Cóndor, guanaco.
Capibara, armadillo,
Patagonian fox, Magellanes penguin.
southern right whale, and rhea from South America.
Jaguar, endangered due to deforestation and illegal hunting. Andean deer, endangered because of habitat loss and human activity. Maned wolf, threatened by habitat destruction and road accidents. Jaguarete, endangered due to deforestation and hunting. Indian condor, affected by poisoning and environmental pollution.
Argentina works to protect its biodiversity in different ways. The country has many national parks and protected areas that conserve animals and their habitats. Some important examples are Iguazú National Park and Los Glaciares National Park. There are also organizations and scientists that study animals and help protect endangered species like the jaguar. Laws have been created to stop illegal hunting and protect wildlife. In addition, education and awareness programs teach people the importance of caring for nature.
How you can help? We can help protect animal biodiversity in Argentina in many ways. Do not pollute the environment, respect animals and their habitats, reduce, reuse, and recycle, save water and natural resources, support conservation programs.
Conclusion: Argentina has a rich and unique animal biodiversity. Its ecosystems are home to many different species. However, many animals are in danger due to human activities. That is why it is important to protect nature and respect all living beings. If we take care of the environment, we can preserve biodiversity for future generations. Every small action can make a big difference.